Honey, stop taking selfies. Honey, stop taking selfies. Honey, right.
Due to an armed attack, this station is being evacuated. Please leave the station immediately.
Armed attack?
Honey?
Please move away from the attacker and
We have
towards
picked up
the
a signal near
nearest
the
safe
area.
exit.
We will keep you updated.
Please move
Honey?
as quickly as you can.
Honey,
But
we
take
need to
care
out of here.
not
What?
to trip, fall, or push others.
But we need to get to Northern Line. We need to get to the Northern Line.
Please follow instructions from TFL staff and the police.
We have picked up a signal near the area. We will keep you updated.
Use other corridors, escalators, and stairways to avoid attackers. Don't waste time looking for places to hide. There are none in our public areas. Take bags and other personal items with you, lest we tell you otherwise, which is obviously unsafe to do so. Once you're out of the
Hello,
station,
Wally.
please leave the area as quickly as possible.
Yep.
Once you're in a safe place,
Today marks the death of... Granted, nobody liked this fucking midget. May he rest in hell.
Dad!
Oh, what website
Dad!
is that?
Dad, what was that? Honey?
What?
Honey? What's that over... No, I mean,
Hi.
Dad, what's that over there?
Website
I
is
don't
that?
know. I think that's a gun.
Dear passenger,
Oh no.
the armed suspect is approaching.
Oh no.
Please
Honey?
remain calm.
Honey, we need to get out of here. Honey, we need to get out of here. Honey, we need to get out of here. Quick. I know this music and it's not good. We need to get out of here. Honey, listen, stop. No, talk to me. Come on, talk to me. Honey, are you there? Right, please, talk to me. Please, talk to me. Honey, just please. I know this music and we need to get out of here now. Just talk to me. Honey, what's wrong with you? What, like, you look like you've just seen a ghost. What is wrong with you, honey? Honey, are you there? Hello? Right, thank God, right, you look right. Honey, we need to, come on, we need to move, honey, quick, we're getting close, honey. Oh, that's why.
Today marks the death of the midget that socializes with fucking ants. This man was like
May he
Michael
rest-
Jackson's
oh, wait, no.
spaghetti if he was 100% a race. His friend, the Polish penile plunderer Franek, and a fat fucking bastard.
Today
Owen.
marks the death of
This
him.
is a very sad
May
day
he
for
rest
everyone.
in hell.
Granted, nobody liked this fucking midget. May he rest in hell.